What's going on, guys? Arthur the Reactor here, and we're reacting to Reincarnated Sign, Season 4, Episode 4. Man, I wonder how much we're going to be in these talking stages. Like, this is what happened, like, in Season 3. Like, it was halfway talking, and then, like, a few battles, and then more talking. I think that's what a lot of people had, like, problem with Season 3's pacing. So, I do hope we can get, like, a fight soon, like an actual fight, because it sounds like Yuki is going to have to probably fight Rimuru at some point, and then probably Maribel is going to have to fight him too. I feel like those fights are going to be peak, but how long to get those fights? I wonder, because I feel like a lot of people are going to drop the anime again because of the pacing, like last time. But yeah, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and let's hop right on in. I'm gonna try and stick with it, but if it keeps going to this talking stage, I might drop it till like an actual fight happens. But I just hope they don't like do what they did with Season 3. I'm sure it happened in the manga, but they can take some things out. Alright, he's dead. How are they not dead from that with all that blood? The red meteor. Lays eyes on those flames and returns. Really? That's what they're calling him? Are we sure that's not actually killing them? Like I get that revive, but like I'm still thinking about those other two like guys from last episode. Like they look up straight up dead. Like is this guy gonna get some trauma? The laughing golden skull, heavy armor, purple smoke. That's a name. Yeah, you're dead, dude. The rare item we busted our ass, that sucks. Like that was a bit much. It's almost like trauma. You sure not gonna give him PTSD from that? Aw, that's cute. Millennium hanging on the Rimuru. Yeah, he's enjoying this too much. Yeah, dude, it's over for you. Like, come on, how is that not fair? Like, I get like they transfer back to the main area, but like doing something like that can cause like brain damage. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but damn. I guess they're okay. It's gonna be a mimic. Oh no. That's cool. Oh, they're getting close to Veldora. Edited broadcast. That they're in a pretty grisly situation. Sorry. Baddie alert. Let's get more of her on screen time. Sorry. Why are you cheering for them? Like, aren't they the reason why y'all ain't progressing? I mean, you kind of are. Why not go fight Hinata? I mean, what tough challengers are there around besides Hinata, Yuki, and Maribel? And a couple other demon lords still left. Who is it though? Oh, her. Valkyrie. Oh, Frey. That's a dress. Why not leave? I don't think she finished it. Yeah, she's mad. I've gotten rolled up into something. Why not just leave? Damn, just threw her under the bus. Damn, just threw her under the bus. That sucks. But it's understandable. I actually thought those were her hands. I didn't know those were mints. I mean, she'd probably come back for the three of you. You have another guess? Yeah. She's mad. Damn, they just abandoned you. Damn. Oh damn, he actually getting out of trouble. Uh-oh. So are you gonna actually go though? Sent by the council to investigate those. I still feel like you're gonna be in trouble though. He was. I got a feeling she's gonna find out. What is this pose? Bro, like, now not the time to order farm. Yeah, you're in trouble, dude. You fucked up. Yeah, bro, I would just jump out the window, dude. Just jump out the room. Just jump out the window. Just jump out the window. Why didn't you just jump out the window at that point? You can survive that fall. You knew it was coming. Oh, her again. Oh, that's a lot of money. I wonder what you're buying with all that gold. Oh, never mind. They don't look suspicious. Never mind. What is that? Oh, you rich. I mean, do you really want to share your victory? You don't sound like the person to do that. So where's your grandfather at? Council and the 5 elders. Are you really in control? Like, does she actually know she's in control, or is she just like... I get her thing is greed, but... I'm not gonna pronounce that. Anti-monster measures. Drought and epidemics. I'm sure they're corrupted though. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. I got a bad feeling. Oh, no. W-Mans. I would say that. She's sitting right there, you idiot. I mean, she's sitting right there. How you gonna talk like? Are you dumb? Yeah, because they like him. I think he's been deceived by Maribel. His addition to the council would be great for it. Yeah, it would. I like him. W-Mans. Alright, never mind. Nah, fuck this dude. But that wasn't them though. Alright. I don't think anybody would be mad if you offed him. He won't be willing to fight for you though. It's not his like agenda. Eastern Empire. I'm not saying that. That's the name. Then why don't you strengthen up your own military? Really absorb many other nations. Maybe it's for the best. I'm guessing that's for starting war. Yeah, in a sense, y'all are cooked. What is that hair? You are too old for that, dude. That hair got, dude, I would just go bald. What is that? Yeah, but Beldora doesn't care about all that. You just want to read a manga and chill. He's not his pet. They're more like best bros. I got a feeling this is gonna come back and bite them in the ass. He's not coming to save y'all. Now you want to join. Now you say something. Why did it take y'all? I think y'all like 2 seconds to do that. Yeah, something's fishy going on. I would leave. What is that outfit? Alright, what's his favor? Why? I don't think he's gonna accept it. Please punch him. They keep saying rampage. Is this foreshadowing another rampage? What about the guy behind you? I don't think she wants to help you. He doesn't have any true colors, though. Please punch him. Yeah, you lost. Dude, I would just stop talking. Yeah, she's being serious. She's saying don't fuck up. Damn, should have punched him. He low-key deserved it. I hope he gets punched.
でも、もしこの話もさっきの会議も誰かが最初から仕組んでいたものだとしたら。
Yeah, probably did. I'm more than guessing it was Maribel. Oh, you know who it is. Is that Xion? Oh. Is he leaving her in charge? Bro, really? Yeah, she wouldn't know how to act. What is that on your what is that on your pants? Oh. Alright, they have teleportation now. That's cool. Didn't they just have the council meeting? So are they just going to go talk to like the head person or whatever? But I do hope he punches that prince, because he's going to soon find out like, oh, Rumor was actually a nice guy. Like, I'm guessing Hinata knows who that was who probably planned all this. I'm guessing she's not a big fan of Maribel. I'm guessing they have some history. Or maybe she tried to use her greed power on her and like it didn't work and she noticed. Also, where was the grandfather? Like, did something happen to him? He was off screen for a good like whole episode. I'm guessing he's leaving everything in charge of her, or he either died off screen, which like I hope he didn't die off screen. Like, let's not have off screen deaths, please. But overall, that was a pretty good talking episode. I'm sure we're gonna get more talking next week. Unfortunately, I do hope we get a fight after the second talking episode, but I got a feeling it's gonna be the talking. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the reaction. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week for episode 5.